So students, as we have discussed earlier about the fuzzy sets and the crisp sets, so what is the basic difference between the fuzzy sets and the crisp set is that in the crisp set all the elements have the membership degree either 0 or 1. Instead of that, fuzzy set have the membership degree for each element which is between 0 and 1, inclusive both 1 and 0. So in case of crisp set, the elements are with extreme values of degree of membership, uh, namely either 1 or 0, whereas in fuzzy sets the elements are with the intermediate values between the 0 and 1. So here what is the degree of membership, or we can say that who will decide, or how can we decide the membership degree of element in a fuzzy set. For example, if we are taking a set city which is a collection of different cities of India, and there is a mu value corresponding to the each city. So this is the membership degree of the city according to the comfort of the city. It means Bangalore is rated as a 95% comfortable, and Bombay is rated at as 90% comfortable. Hyderabad as 80%. Kharagpur has 0.1 percentage, and like that Madras and Delhi also have allocated an membership degree. Here the cities of comfort can be judged by its membership degree. So membership degree is a measurement of goodness of the element. So this is the concept of membership degree. Now let us take an example of course evaluation. In a crisp way, if we are talk about the course evaluation, for example the marks is greater than 90 degree, that is outstanding, and the marks between 80% to 90%, less than 90% and above than 80%, then the student is graded as A grade. And if the marks are greater than 80%, 70% and less than 80%, then student is graded as B. Like that, all these grade A, B, C, D, E, F is to be graded. So in case of course evaluation in a crisp set, we can see from this diagram that if a value is either belongs to 0 or belongs to 1, it means F may be 1 membership degree or it may be of 0 membership degree, and like that D and A also has 1 membership degree or 0 membership degree. So in case of crisp way, we have only 2 membership degrees, that is only 1 and 0. It means it will either the value is belongs to the set or not belongs to the set. But in case of fuzzy way, we may say that value may be vary from 0 to 1, inclusively both 0 and 1. For example, ki membership degree of F may be vary from 0 to 1. It means it may be 0.5, it may be 0.4. Like that, value of membership degree for the for the grade D, it may be either 0 at the point 40, or it may be increase and the maximum value at the 50. That is grade D is represented in a fuzzy way. So this is an example of course evaluation in fuzzy sets. Like that, there are several examples of fuzzy sets like high temperature, low pressure, color of apple, sweetness of orange, weight of mango. So these are the fuzzy sets which have some linguistic values like high, low, medium low, very high, low, medium, medium high, like that. Fuzzy sets have some linguistic variables. So degree of membership value will lie in the range of 0 and 1 in case of fuzzy sets. Now let us discuss some terminologies or the notations of the fuzzy sets. So formally, how can we define a fuzzy set? Formally, definition of fuzzy set may be given as if X is a universe of discourse and X belongs to X, then fuzzy set A in the X is defined as a set of ordered pairs that is A equal to X comma membership mu AX, that where X belongs to capital X, where mu AX is called the membership function of the fuzzy set A. Here mu AX is the membership function of the fuzzy set A. Here membership function mu AX map each element of X onto a membership grade or a membership value between 0 and 1. So question is that who will decide the membership function of the fuzzy set A in X? Now some another basic terminologies and notations, that is X. Here X is a universe of discourse, that is all the cities in India, that is a universe of discourse, and A is a city of comfort. A is a fuzzy set which includes the city of comfort. So here A has two elements corresponding to each element of a set, that is name of city and the membership degree of the city. You may say that measure of comfortness of the city. For example, New Delhi has 0.7 membership degree, Bangalore is 0.9, Chennai is 0.8, Hyderabad 0.6, Kolkata 0.3 and Kharagpur is 0 value. So these are the membership degrees which evaluate how comfortable is the city. So membership degree tells the goodness of the element. So membership degree with the discrete membership value. Membership function may be discrete or may be continuous, or membership degree may be continuous or may be discrete. The membership value may be discrete values, may be continuous values. For example, in this case, a fuzzy set with discrete values of this. Here these are the discrete values. Okay, these are the discrete values, that at this level this is a certain value, at this level this is a certain value, at this level this is a certain value, and at this level this has a certain value. So these are the discrete membership values, and membership values can be discrete and membership function can also be discrete. For example, number of children in this case, and its membership degrees like that. These are the certain fixed values. So these are the membership degrees which can be discrete. Okay. Membership functions and membership values can also be continuous. It means it can be fall under a curve where membership degree fall under a continuous range between 0 to 100 or 0 to 50 or 0 to something else. So here the, for example, this is the variable of age. ठीक है, तो middle age means it may be 0 to 50. The person who have the age of 50, then it is middle aged, and the person who have the age of 60, 70 or 80, then it may be an old age. And if a person have a age between the 0 to 20, 30, then it is a young age. So here is the range of values. So this is the continuous membership value or the continuous membership function. So this is the continuous membership function 1 by 1 plus x minus 50 raised to power x. So these are the real values. So it may be the continuous membership values. So there are some another terms which we have to be considered before going ahead. So one term is the support. So what is the support? Support of a fuzzy set A is the set of all points, that is x belongs to x, such that membership degree of x, element of x, is greater than 0. So that is a support. It means the number of elements who has the membership degree greater than 0, then this is the support of that fuzzy set. Now what is the core? The core of a fuzzy value A is the set of all points x in x such that membership degree of x is equal to 1. So core of the A is what do we mean by core of the A? That is the elements of the x which has the membership degree equal to 1. So this is the core of A. Now what is the normality? A fuzzy set A is a normal if its core is non-empty. In other words, we can say that we always find a point x belongs to x such that membership degree of x is equal to 1. Or you may say that a fuzzy set may be said as a normal if its core set is non-empty. It means at least one element of the set has the membership degree equals to 1. So here normality of A is equal to false if any of the element has no membership degree 1, and normality of A is equal to true if it has an element with the membership degree 1. Next is crossover points. A crossover point of a fuzzy set A is a point x belongs to x at which membership degree of x is equal to 0.5. That is, crossover A is equal to x such that membership degree is equal to 0.5. So here is the crossover point of a set is 0.5. It means if a membership degree of an element belongs to the set A, if its membership degree is 0.5, then its crossover is 0.5.